Meaning of marriage lines.
Marriage lines. Marriage lines.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A line or crease on the palm of the hand, traditionally believed to indicate the subject's prospects of marriage or romantic relationships. Examples. 1. The fortune teller examined my palm and told me I had 3 marriage lines, indicating I would have 3 significant relationships in my lifetime. 2. According to palmistry, the depth and length of the marriage lines can reveal the quality and duration of one's marriages.
Marriage lines. Marriage lines.